Here, let me show it where I don't have my hand on the back of it. Yeah. You tell me. Oh man, there's a lot of little beads in here that they threw in here that are annoying. Here, there's something in a package. Oh, of course, they're Xmas ornaments, but they're glass. They're glass Xmas ornaments. Vintage glass earrings. Not a toy. Well, duh. Mercury glass. Ooh, I have to scan this and see if it's worth anything. I don't have my phone over here right now. Do I? Unless it's the. I'm gonna pause you and go get my phone. Okay, I have an app on my phone that is it's called Compare, and it compares if you scan a barcode. Excuse me. There's my last few barcodes. It scans the price that would sell on Amazon or eBay if it recognizes it. So we're gonna scan this barcode and see if we can get it to scan. Trust me, I'm doing it. You just can't see me, but I'm doing it. Okay, it's scanned for these glass Xmas ornament earrings. There's no results on eBay, and there is some on Amazon. Wait a minute. No results on Amazon. eBay, they have them right here for $7.50 plus $7.70 shipping. So, see? Vintage glass ornaments, glittered green. That's what these are. It's called Compare Prices on Amazon and eBay. That's the app. If you guys want to get it, I got it in my, I have an Android phone, so all you fancy dancies who have Apple, I'm sure they have it on the Apple iPhone. Let's see. I got something that just fell on the floor that I'll end up stepping on. These look like pairs of earrings. I'm still reeling from the satanic stuff. I really am. Oh yes, what I've always wanted. A bottle cap with possible blood on it. Hopefully it's paint. Okay, I'm the one who said in the previous video, don't complain if you get junk. Which I'm not complaining, but I don't think I didn't need the satanic stuff. This is Kennedy Space Center. I'm not sure what it is for. There's nothing on there that used to be there. That you just use it as maybe it was a magnet. Okay, this is what I've got left, guys. I'm gonna show you the box. You can hear it. I've got stuff like this left. Ooh, a ring. So I'm just gonna start picking out stuff. But there's a lot of these little beads like this that I'm gonna throw away. So let's look at this ring I've got out. That's pretty. Oh man, it's worse for wear. But I like it. Wish it was my size. They're never my size. Because this part, the green part, feels like some sort of plastic. It's an 8 and a 4. That's pretty neat. Quite a few rings. Oh look! We're not done with the satanic stuff. Ooh! On the floor it goes. Big old leaf earring that we're probably not going to find a mate to. Something that we're going to throw away. Throw away. Ooh, clip-on earring. Ooh, that's pretty. Might not find the other one, but that's pretty. We'll repurpose that. Don't know. Earring. I'll keep that one. Let's see. This earring is also pretty. I'll keep that one. There's a coupling. Ooh, it's signed too, I think. Hold on a second. That hand feels so gritty. It is. It's a Kramer. No. Kremet. Kremet? I got that before. That's an old company. I don't know if we'll get another one, the other one, but we got one. Got a bunch of these like broken shells in here. I don't like that either. There's a ring. This one might be signed. Let's look at it up close. Or marked. No, it's not. Let's see what size it is. That is only a 6 3/4. Oh, you can see me. Hello. Okay. What else is down here? A bunch of move to the trash pile. Oh look, I always wanted a wrapper. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. I can take repurposed jewelry, don't send me repurpose wrappers and bottle caps. This is pretty. Ring. Hope that isn't some weird whacked out symbol. There's a wire wrapped stone. What's that, guys? Is that glass? Is that parrot? I don't know. I'm not going to attempt to say what it is because I don't know the stones. There's 2 little earrings. They're like what do you call it? Soda fountain. Those are cute. I'll keep those. What am I trying to think of? I can't even think right now. Still reeling from the other jewelry. I don't like that. Alright, this is all throwaway. Milkshake. That's what I'm trying to think of. Milkshake. I'm going to put the book. What is that? A belly button thing. Hey, I found another. I think it's an R. Not signed. I'm trying to dig through this to see if I can. What's this? An interesting earring. Confetti inside of it. This earring looks like it might be signed. It's a clip on. Think with these $19.99 repurposed lots, luck of the draw. Oh look, and we always aren't complete without a Barbie shoe. And this is not the first time I've got a Barbie shoe. That's it, guys. Yeah, the rest of it's just you. Okay, so let's look at these. I think this is a button. No, it's a clip-on earring. This is just so interesting. This part, it's plastic. I'm wondering if it has some bakelite. So it's carved. Let me like rub it and smell it. No, I'll test it though. I got this puffer heart that is a shoe clip. Maybe not. It's an earring. Never mind. Thought it was a shoe clip. We got this. It's missing a stone. Totally. We did find matching earrings. They almost look like soccer balls, don't they? Hey, they're pierced. They're pierced with a leather back. Okay, they're not clip-on. Okay, we're going to see what this little tie tack says. And it better be something nice and not something bad. Oh, it's Edie's Ice Cream. Look at that. 5 years. Like somebody worked there for 5 years. It's not a symbol. Anybody in the military know what this is? I can't read what it says on that banner part down there. The Ralph Lauren earring. There's Ralph Lauren down there. We only got one. Whale. That's interesting. A little ring here. Cool. See what size it is. Looks like about a size 6. And I'm right. It's a 6.5. Okay, this looked like it was marked, but I think no, it's just rusty. Okay, and then we had the Pooh, okay, the Pooh earring. Not like Pooh, but like Winnie the Pooh. Here's Eeyore. Articulated. So do you wear Eeyore? No, we just have Eeyore and Pooh. But they don't have their mates, but maybe somebody would like to buy them. Who wants Pooh and Eeyore? Then we have a pineapple charm. So what did I think about this thing? What did you guys think? I think that I was not pleased that I got satanic jewelry. I will write Goodwill about that. Not that they're going to do anything about it. But I didn't appreciate that. But all in all, for $19.99, and that would include shipping, I did pretty good. I think not as much as I'd like to have. But I did okay. It was an experience to buy one. I did not get the coupons. Other people have talked about they got 50% off on the next order coupons. I've watched videos. I did not get it. Also, we'll be asking them about that. But I will see you guys later. Tell me what you think about the jewelry. Bye.